In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. Let's get started. Now scroll down to the option Apps. Under Apps, find Safari and launch it. Many fake virus pop-ups came from browsing data. Scroll to the bottom, tap Advanced, then Website Data and choose Remove all website data to clear anything harmful hiding there. Next, close this and head back to App Library and search for Files app. Head over to the tab on my iPhone, then go to Downloads and check for unknown files. You can tap the three dots, choose Select All and delete everything if you want to be extra safe. Now go back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. iOS updates often include important security fixes that automatically remove malware. Also, make sure security responses and system files is turned on under automatic updates to stay protected going forward. Once that's done, restart your iPhone by pressing volume up, volume down, and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. If your phone is still acting weird, your best option is to visit an Apple store so they can run diagnostics and help you restore safely from your backup. After following these steps, your iPhone should be running smoothly and virus-free again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.